One of the reasons why we have so many successful customers at Curbside Laundries is because at Curbside Laundries, we are in the laundry business. So not only are we experts in software, I've been doing software now full time for over half a decade, and our development team has over 100 years of software development behind them. But the real secret to our success is my brother and I are in the laundry business. Here's some quick hits of some of the innovation we've brought to the wash and fold business. Number one, my brother Aaron came up with the idea of bins because customers would bring their laundry in all sorts of different containers. And a lot of the bags they tip over and spill, and personal garments would fall out of one bag and be placed in another. So we realized that something really important was to keep everybody's orders separate. And one way we do that is through bins. Now you see our bin system used throughout the country. In addition, we're the first ones, to my knowledge, that use the Mettler-Toledo scale. Now we moved on to the Rice Lake, but the bottom line is we use the shipping scale and we put the bin on top of the scale. The reason for that is you could fit a lot more laundry in there, and it makes it very easy to transfer to your storage area as well. Before that, many laundromats use the scales with the attached baskets to them, and those don't hold very much laundry. So it made it very awkward and time-consuming to weigh the clothes. So our system was fast and accurate and helped eliminate lost clothes. And you'll see patterns like that throughout our software where it helps eliminate mistakes. So it's not just the stuff you see, but stuff behind the scenes that guides your attendants through the process and helps eliminate mistakes and keeps your customers happy and coming back. Another innovation that this one we didn't come up with, but we helped popularize is the recess counter. The purpose of the recess counter is many of the wash and fold bags hold about 30-some pounds. So imagine slinging that onto a countertop that's waist high or higher. That's not so easy for the customer. So it's much better to have a recess counter that is made just to hold the scale and the basket, and the customer could easily drop their laundry into the basket. Just like at the airport. You don't have to carry your suitcase and carry it and lift it on top of the counter. So same concept. And this makes it easier for millions of people across the country to drop clothes off at the laundromat. Another innovation we came up with was the overnight crew at a laundromat. One of my father's goals was to bring in so much laundry to the laundromat that we would have to have a night shift. So our machines would be spinning 24/7, and that's what we accomplished. And in 2017, Lawrence Cohen, one of the writers for American Coin Op, covered our laundromat in a feature article discussing the nighttime crew. And now that's become such a big thing. We had an overnight update in our software. So we updated our software at 2 in the morning. Who needs to use our software at 2 in the morning? And we did it unannounced. And the next day we got slammed with phone calls from our customers saying, hey, what happened? We had the software went out in the middle of the night. And it turned out it's because we were updating our software and we didn't set the expectations. In addition, we were the first ones to deck out laundry vans with the Ranger shelf system. Before that, many laundry owners would dump the clean and dirty clothes on the floor of the van. We're also the first laundromat software to keep the credit card on file for customers. We call it Express Pay, and this helps customers get in and out quickly. It's so convenient. Imagine going to a laundromat or a dry cleaner and you just drop off your laundry and you don't even have to pull your wallet out of your pocket. You just drop it off and you're on your way. And that's the type of convenience that customers are looking for. And that's why customers keep coming back to laundromats using Curbside Laundry software. In addition, our software was the first software made just for laundromats that had the pickup and delivery and in-store wash and fold point of sale combined together right from the get-go. It used to be you needed 2 separate software, one for your point of sale and one for pickup and delivery. So at Curbside, those 2 things were made together at the same time, which is why everything is integrated so well together. In addition, we were the first ones to have a webinar on how to get started on pickup and delivery for laundry. And that video has nearly 20,000 views. Much of the innovation in our software is in the wash and fold process. It's focused on helping you eliminate mistakes. It's helping your attendants keep on top of things. It's to help you get the wash and fold process out of your head and into an organized system. And there are numerous features that are there when you need them. For example, when the driver drops off an order, there's a button that says unexpected pickup. Oftentimes, as you know, if you're doing pickup and delivery, when you drop off an order, oftentimes the customer gives you another order back. So you drop off the clean clothes and the customer gives you dirty clothes. We call that an unexpected pickup. You just tap unexpected pickup and it does so much data entry for you. Normally it'd be creating a whole new order, but instead just tap one button and you choose the delivery day and you're on your way. There's this attention to detail that I don't think anybody else has. It'd be impossible if you were just a software company. So the importance of doing laundry and software and marrying those things together is the secret to your success. In addition, one of the main focus points in our wash and fold software solution is helping you attract new customers and retain the customers you have. That's key to growing your business. And next week, we're going to be featuring Crown Laundry over in San Diego. And in just a few months, they hit numbers that took us years to accomplish at Super Suds. And I'm so excited to share their story with you. And they tried other software in the past, and it was basically flatlined. The owner thought there's no business nearby him in this part of San Diego. And it turns out there's so much business out there. He now says he's just scraping the tip of the iceberg. And he said to wait to tell his story because next month is going to be even greater than last month. And last month was pretty good. So I'm looking forward to sharing that story with you because it just proves software is not software. He tried one of the leading competitors to no avail. He tried Curbside, and now he's a success story. Curbside Laundries is the only software company that offers all of its clients tours at our laundromat. We do $1.5 million a year in wash and fold and pickup and delivery. We help save our clients so much time through trial and error and getting started. We help set our clients up on the pathway to success because their success is our success, which is why we feature them all the time, success story after success story. And it doesn't happen by accident. Software is not just software. Pickup and delivery is a business, and we help provide a business solution to our clients to help them achieve success. Don't forget to subscribe and go to curbsidelaundries.com to find out more about our pickup and delivery solution.